Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Jasper County in central Georgia, northern Putnam County in central Georgia, southeastern Morgan County in north central Georgia until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail. This storm was located near Shady Dale, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Phoenix and Buckhead. This thunderstorm has a history of producing pea to penny-sized hail, and the storm has increased in intensity during the last few minutes. If you see wind damage, large hail, or significant flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466.